Hey folks, I got this wheel horse all tore down. I got it up here on, got it up a little higher. So it's a little easier on the back. Getting ready to clean it all up. I think I'll put a new spring on there. That one's about to break, it looks like. And looks like there's plenty of shoe on there. That looks like it needs adjusted. It's interesting how this works. That belt, it don't look bad. I was looking up under here. Blades look pretty good, actually. Well, anyway, I'll continue. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we got this thing here. Now that hydraulic ram goes here. It then goes back to here, which should turn. That is the cable that goes out the back for the hitch. And this is what was not hooked up. This goes down to the mower base. And it hooks to this thing right here. And then that would lift the mower part up. What I'm thinking, if I can't get that pump to work, reasonably, I'm thinking how I can change this to a handle, like a manual lift. And if I'm not mistaken, the ones with the manual, the lift is on this side. I could be wrong about that. And I'm wondering if I can switch this mechanism here around to that side. Because that would put this here, this here. Although that is over to the right. I'm looking forward here. And that would be on the wrong side. Now whether that matters or not, I don't know. So anyway, some things to ponder. I suppose I could put the manual part over here on the left side. I don't imagine it hurt anything. I don't know, it's going to be interesting to figure this out. I'm a little skeptical about being able to fix that pump. I was kind of looking through the computer there. And I really couldn't find much on it, really. So anyway, well, we'll continue with it. See how she, oh yeah, by the way, this bolt went right in there. Yeah, that's the bolt that holds the front axle on. I kind of thought it was. And it looks like I just put a nut on it. The only problem is that linkage comes awful close to that thing. I don't know, we'll have to figure something out there. Maybe the bolt could come in from this side. Put the nut out here. I don't know. We'll check it out. I think what I'll do is change the oil. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you later. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, I was wondering how to check this oil, so I took this out, and sure enough, it's got a dipstick on it. And the oil doesn't look all that bad, really. Yeah, I don't think I even have to change it. This looks fine. Looks fine to me. So that's that. I'll talk to you later.